Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your PC's Wi-Fi adapter is enabled and airplane mode is off, because Windows can't see networks otherwise. Once done, make sure you have the network SSID and password handy. Wi-Fi passwords are case-sensitive. Now open Start, go to Settings, choose Network and Internet, and click Wi-Fi. This gets you to the list of available networks so you can begin the connection process immediately without delay. You'll see a list of detected networks. Select your SSID and click Connect so Windows begins the handshake. When prompted, type the Wi-Fi password carefully and use the Show Characters option to verify it, since mistyped passwords are the most common failure. Make sure to check Connect automatically if you want future joins to be seamless. If the network uses enterprise options or a captive portal, follow the additional prompts for credentials. Once connected, verify internet access by checking Settings Network and Internet status and opening a web page. This confirms DNS and gateway are working. If you see limited connectivity, run the Windows Network troubleshooter or disable then re-enable the Wi-Fi adapter to refresh IP assignment. If multiple devices lose access, power cycle the router and modem for 30 seconds, because many problems stem from the network equipment rather than your PC.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.